One thing I noticed while underneath here, Shawn, you're going to need to address this power steering here in the future. Control valve, hoses, all that jazz. RAM. Yeah, maybe handle that in Ohio over the summer or schedule it when you come back, and we'll handle it this fall. Oh, look, our kick down isn't in its home either. Lovely. I'll put a pin in that. Our speedo cable. Yeah, I'm assuming that's busted because it don't work. All right. That oil was super thin. Somebody probably put like 530, 520 in there. That is no es bueno. All right, I'm gonna go on a Bobby pet peeve rant. When somebody takes a classic car such as this to a shithole like Jiffy Lube or another place where idiots are employed, and they put this teeny tiny short filter on. No. Bad. No. Notice the size difference. It's almost double. This is correct. That's an FL1A. That is no name POS, which would explain the super thin oil. I mean, look how thin that oil is. You can see that razor blade through it. For the record, I can't stand valve covers on a street car that don't either A, have like a big breather you could pull off and fill through, or an oil cap. This is stupid. This is gonna take me forever to put 5 quarts of oil in here because somebody wanted to put lipstick on a fucking pig. All right, oil changed, ready to roll. It's amazing how much higher the oil pressure is when it doesn't have water for oil, basically. It's got high zinc Lucas 1030 classic car and hot rod oil.